My name is Maggie with Plano Public Library. In this activity, we are going to build a functioning heart model using items from around the house. Then, we will use our simple heart model to mimic how the heart pumps blood to the body. This experiment focuses on an area of medicine and health science called cardiology, or the study of the heart. Our heart model will recreate how the heart pumps blood to the lungs and the body. The heart is made up of 4 chambers. The top 2 chambers, the left atrium and the right atrium, receive the blood that enters the heart. The bottom 2 chambers, the left ventricle and the right ventricle, pump blood out of the heart. The valves in your heart are flaps that prevent blood from flowing backwards. These are especially important in creating a one-way route for blood to flow through the heart and back into the body. Together, we can build a functioning heart and learn how blood is pumped from the heart to the body. Let's get started. For this experiment, you will need these supplies from home: a pitcher full of water, red food dye, 4 bendy straws, Play-Doh or modeling clay, 3 plastic water bottles with the labels removed and their caps, scissors, a pencil, and tape. What did you notice when you squeezed the ventricle and pinched the straw between the atrium and the ventricle? What happened when you squeezed the ventricle and pinched the straw between the ventricle and the body? Check your pulse for 10 seconds and then try to mimic the rhythm of your heartbeat with your heart model. Were you successful?